This video is sponsored by gonher.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I've got a new cap gun from Smyths Toys, and thanks for Smyths Toys for sponsoring this video. It's in this gun holder, by the way. Look, 3, 2, 1. This is my new cap gun, and I bought some extra caps as well. And so let me show you how to open it. First, you know this right here, you just pull that like that. Then this can spin like that. You know how to close it like that. Now let's put some caps in. And after when you're done, you can put it in this gun holder I just put up before. So let's put it in. Now let's shoot it. Seven shots, are you serious? Let's try that again. There. And after when you're done, you can put it in this gun holder. There. Wait, you know the other video I showed you? This rifle one from Smyths Toys. I made this video as well, so make sure you check it out. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for 320 subscribers. So bye guys, and
This video is sponsored by Smyths Toys.